Oh, sit down. Oh.
What is that? What just came around the corner? Oh my gosh!
Joe.
Oh my gosh!
I charged it.
What do you think of this? Huh?
Pull up there, dear.
Come on, man.
That look familiar?
Whoa,
Who is that,
Josie.
Kenzie?
Is that Josie?
That's Josie.
Oh my gosh!
Happy birthday.
Thank you! Oh my gosh!
Get on the other side, Kim, for the horse.
On the other side.
They're killing me.
Who's taking a picture? All of them.
So that horse looks familiar to you?
Yes.
Is it getting bigger? Huh?
Oh, because Daddy wouldn't let Matt feed it.
It's hey baby.
Do you know how long that horse has been here?
No.
We've had her over a month.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
We had her hidden from you.
Maybe you can sit in the cart.
Mom can hide it from me. I'm like the best horse
Here,
catcher ever.
come on.
You can.
What's the words?
Get it?
Okay.
Okay, you guys.
Okay.
You
She
guys
used
get
to
back
certain
and then
words.
we'll get you in, Mia.
Yaw. Yaw.